I just got done at the gym. I had a dream last night that my wife said I was getting fat, so straight to the gym today and got it in. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the bike, let you guys see everything that's been done up to this point and what's going to be done to it moving forward. Do I have to send a shout out to Victory Through Faith Designs, also known as VF Designs. Please go check out their products, vfdesigns.com. Also go check them out on Instagram at VF Designs. I am going to be doing an install and a review video here shortly. Shout out to him. I really appreciate him liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, being a follower on Instagram. If you're not already, please don't forget to do all that stuff. Hit the icon bell when new drops and things come out. Of course, it's a mixed bag, all right? I'm going to let y'all know this before you subscribe. It's a mixed bag. My life doesn't revolve around one specific thing, so I do a little bit of bike stuff, do a little bit of gun stuff, do a little bit of clothes and outfit stuff. You can undefeat us today. Yeah. Appreciate y'all checking out today's video. Got the flat facing, looks like angular Rizoma mirrors on there, a chrome windscreen with handles for YouTube and Instagram. That is actually a squirrel skull that he blew up and stretched across the front. We have the wheel wells, which were done, as well as the rims, which have their own decaling. So my headlights, both of them are purple, as well as I have purple and blue glowing TST turn signal lights, flush mount turn signals. So if I turn these lights on, you kind of can see. Now it's of course it's daytime, so they're not glowing and illuminating like they really would, but those things, they look so good at night. It's some straight crazy intricate work on that tank with those racing stripes, with those thin orange stripes that he put on all of the angles of the bike. You know, aftermarket protection, my crankcase, you know, frame sliders. And that right there is the quad lock. Of course, to hold the phone, that was an aftermarket piece. The bike does not come with that. I have a fender eliminator by JL Designs. And then right there, I have the integrated tail light by JL Designs, and it's smoked as well. Back rim to match the front rim. The swing arm he did, as well as he put some of that detailing on my two brothers exhaust. That's not a slip-on, that is a full exhaust system. I did have the bike tuned and the suspension adjusted for my height and weight. This remote actually handles the lights on the bottom. I can change them all different colors, different patterns. This remote here is for the upper half of the bike. So I can run two separate lighting patterns if I want at any given time while I'm on this bike. I won't demonstrate them because it's the middle of the day. They're really not gonna pop or show what they look like. But I'm sure I'll get some footage with them at some point. So that's the totality of the bike, man. I hope you guys have enjoyed the build and the process that's led up to this. Of course, I still have to put the VF Designs lights on, which I'm super excited about. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.